It's Taylor Swift time.
I am unwell.
You guys, it is the night before Hannah and I go see the Taylor Swift. It's the first time I've ever seen her. Hannah's seen her before, but I'm so excited. It is Swift Eve, as I'm calling it, and Hannah is here. She's spending the night. Tomorrow is gonna be us getting ready all day. I'm gonna take you along to the show on my phone, but right now we're on the vlog camera because I need to show you a few things. We've kind of been breaking it in. Okay, Will's ugly water bottle. Hannah brought her record player and her Taylor vinyls. Got Lover and Red. Flipping it. Thank you. And then I set this up for us. This is just our whole little Taylor Swift drink setup. We've been having some drinks in our mirror ball. Little glasses. We got everything to make bracelets this evening. And we actually are about to go pick up sushi, right?
Sushi.
Hannah and Will made the order. We're gonna go get it. I colored my hair this evening. I just used Schwarzkopf 877 with a little 7-1 and 20 volume. I fake tanned. We're gonna be prepping. Hannah's gonna fake tan later.
Lots to do,
lots of things to do, lots of self-care. We're gonna watch TV, hang out, get a little drunk. We're just gonna bring you along to everything. We're gonna be vlogging tonight, tomorrow, evening, and yeah, stay tuned because this is like literally dreams are coming true. So we're so excited.
Scary.
For dinner for the evening. So delish.
So yummy.
Lights setting the mood.
This is a sunset.
Okay, a sexy girl roll, incredible roll, sunrise on 2nd Street roll.
It's so good.
Sunrise from pretty. Making
the friendship bracelet.
To paint the bottom of my cowboy boots red to look like fake Louboutins like Taylor. So we'll see how it goes.
Please don't tell.
Goes nothing.
Welcome, right?
Just my little rep one.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Not your perfect man either.
Cheers. Good morning. We are feeling some type of way. We're like, why does this feel like our wedding morning? Which I know sounds extreme. Hannah has just made us some absolutely delicious food. This is Will's. He's crust burrito with sriracha and egg. And this is mine, literally so beautiful. We finished making our friendship bracelets last night, and then today we're just gonna get ready. So let's go. Yummy. We're now starting to get ready, but we're both like, feeling a little bit on.
I don't really know. I've been sitting here for the last 5 minutes being like,
I need to start something.
Don't know what to do.
I really don't have a plan for my makeup. I got these House Labs pigment paints. They sent them to me, which is really, really nice. So because I'm midnight, I'll do something with this, glitter, probably some gems as well. Lashes, but I'm just like, oh my gosh, my hand to my face. But I'm just gonna begin doing my makeup and I will just keep checking in with you guys and show you progress. Okay, I'm kind of scared. Am I just gonna look like I have a black eye?
Make sure you do a light lip. Here's some more snacks.
My mother. Getting ready. I'm here to check in with you. Show you Hannah because she's dressed. Did my makeup like this. I may add some more. I'm Midnight's Era. I don't know if I said that. I'm just all the stars aligned is my theme. So I got the midnights and all the stars inside of my hair. I'm gonna put my outfit on and then figure out like if I need more glitter in my hair, if I need more things. But Hannah, wanna come say hi? We'll do our official reveal together in a second, but I just wanted to give you a little taster of the queen. She looks so good. Show on both sides. Glitter. So good. Do you want me to show them your outfit? Do you wanna wait?
Let's wait.
Okay, but you got the hair. You got both of her hair, both of her makeup. She looks amazing, so I'm gonna go get dressed. Okay, are you guys ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? Here we are. Let me see if you show your boots. Matching metallic boots are actually
Louboutins. They are Louboutins. They are.
That's a Louboutin right there. We are ready. I'm fully midnights. Hannah's Lover. So cute. It's so good. We're so excited. I think we're ready to go. I'm so excited. We're gonna drive there. I literally can't believe we're seeing Taylor Swift tonight. I feel like we just got ready for prom and like no big deal, whatever.
Yeah, no, like
Crazy.
it's giving similar excitement to like my wedding day.
Yeah,
which
so
is
like,
crazy.
we're literally gonna head off now, have some food, we're gonna pick up some food. Dovu, Frutella. Okay, ready? Oh, foamy. Cheers! Oh my goodness, hello! Oh my gosh! She went to the wrong entrance, so now we're at the right place. We're VIP, need the floor entry. Alright, now at the right place. The merch line. Oh my gosh! Oh. Sorry. Like a man, these stupid sounds. So nice. Yay! Thank you. Yay! Secure! We got our bags! 2 hours later. To the floor! The floor we go. I'm so confused. Cheers! Wouldn't talk to me until I've recovered. Oh, that was so good. Oh my gosh.
Literally amazing. Out body.
Oh my gosh, like I'm sure you can tell from like the clips we got, we were just like losing our minds. It was everything and more incredible. Nothing compares. I'm like never be the same. It was incredible, so I'm glad you guys could come along. I feel very lucky to sit where we did and just have the experience. It kind of was just like luck of the draw, which is like a whole other story.
It was one of those crazy situations. Like people were wondering like how in the world are you sitting down there?
Right.
I'm like literally it was just chance.
Basically, Ticketmaster contacted her husband and was like, we have seats. And this was months ago though. Got him for like face value. Now it's literally insane. So we kind of didn't really know what we were getting ourselves into, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.